Deep in the heart of central India, where the forests of Madhya Pradesh stretch endlessly across rugged hills, bamboo thickets, river valleys, and ancient sal trees, lies a wilderness still untouched by mass tourism. A forest that whispers instead of roars. Welcome to Sanjay-Dubri National Park. Far away from the crowded safari circuits of India, Sanjay-Dubri feels raw, quiet, and deeply mysterious. This is not a forest that reveals itself easily. Here, patience becomes part of the journey. Forests here form part of the larger Sanjay-Dubri Tiger Reserve, a vast wilderness spread across eastern Madhya Pradesh, bordering the forests of Chhattisgarh. Dense sal forests dominate the terrain, interrupted by meadows, seasonal streams, rocky outcrops, and bamboo patches that seem almost impenetrable. Unlike many better known reserves, Sanjay Dubri still carries an untamed film. Roads are fewer, human presence is sparse, and that silence becomes one of its greatest identities. This is tiger country. But these forests are not just about tigers. They are home to leopards, sloth bears, dholes, striped hyenas, jackals, wild boars, boars, nilgais, and countless smaller lives that silently keep the ecosystem functioning. Every movement in the jungle has meaning here. Freshness and the rawness of the jungle exhibited through its sights and sounds.
পাথরে একদম টঙে উঠবে।
We move on. One key focus we had was if we can get a glimpse of the majestic Trishul, the male tiger of the zone. We got a glimpse of him, but then he again disappeared behind the bushes. To test our patience, and we were in no mood to give up. expected that the first safari itself will give us a successful sighting of the gorgeous male tiger of Sanjay-Dubri.
पीछे 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 करिए।
Now that the king of the zone has moved on, the other animals heave a sigh of relief and start comfortably moving around. Based on alarm calls, we are now waiting for a possible movement of the predator. We are not sure, waiting in anticipation. T-17 slowly disappeared in the direction where Trishul was there. The wonderful sighting of T-17, the emerging fable of this terrain, and Trishul earlier, we moved on. Last time when I was here, this is exactly the terrain where I had sighted the famous tigress of Sanjay-Dubri, Mosima. Our last sighting of the morning safari was an Indian grey goose. As we moved towards the exit gate, a thought lurked within. I have come again to Sanjay Dubri. Will I be lucky enough to sight the famous Mosima this time yet again after 2 years? Watch out for the next video on Sanjay Dubri.